DoorDash makes it easy to remove payment methods from your account. There are three main ways to do this, and we'll walk through each method step by step. The first and most common method is through the mobile app. Open your DoorDash app and tap your profile icon, which is usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, select Payment Methods from the menu. You'll see all your saved payment methods listed here, including credit cards, debit cards, and digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay. The second method is through the DoorDash website. Sign into your account, click on your profile picture or account name, then navigate to Payment Methods in your account settings. The third method is during the checkout process itself. When you're placing an order, you can select Edit next to your payment options to manage your payment methods right from the checkout screen. Important reminder, if you're removing your default payment method, you'll need to set another card as your default first, or add a new payment method before you can complete future orders. Before removing a payment method from DoorDash, there are several important considerations you need to be aware of. First, you cannot remove a card that is currently linked to a pending order. DoorDash takes security seriously and may require additional verification when you attempt to remove payment methods. This includes password verification or two-factor authentication to protect your account. Cybersecurity experts recommend following specific best practices for payment method management. You should review your stored payment methods quarterly and keep only actively used cards on file. If your card is lost, stolen, or compromised, you must remove it from DoorDash immediately. This is a critical security step that should be done as soon as you discover the issue. Finally, enable notifications for payment method changes and regularly monitor your bank statements. This helps you quickly identify any unauthorized charges or suspicious activity on your accounts. Following these security considerations and best practices will help protect your financial information while using DoorDash. Remember to stay vigilant and proactive about your payment method security.